Hello, welcome to Trinity Stamps Warm and Cozy Holiday Release. Today I will be showing you the Winter Burrow stamp and die set. Winter Burrow is a 4x6 inch stamp set. It has 23 pieces. It's an add-on set intended to coordinate wonderfully with our Bunny Burrow, Mouse House, or Shoe Sprite stamp sets, and you will be able to create a festive winter scene with all of our favorite critters. The coordinating die set also contains 23 die cuts, which stamps out every single image in the stamp set. So I've gone ahead and stamped out all of the images from the stamp set, and I'm just showing them to you up close here so you can see everything that is included in this set. So starting on the left, we have a wreath, a scarf, some snowflakes, some snowballs, 2 different presents, a hot cocoa, a wrapped up cheese, a wrapped up acorn, an elf hat, a Santa hat, a candy cane, a little mouse snowman, a wintry hedgehog, a tree, 2 different size packs of snow, and then our sentiments. Wishing you a very cheesy Christmas, sending warm hedge hugs, and Bunny, it's cold outside. So next I'm going to show you all the different ways that you can use this set. This large snow pack fits perfectly over the Bunny Burrow from the Bunny Burrow stamp set. And then this little snow pack, you can use it for several different things. So you can put it on top of the chimney for this set, and it looks really cute together. I'll show you a card that I've done later using that. It also fits great on top of our little Christmas tree. This wreath fits perfectly on the door right over that heart. It's just so fun creating a little winter scene out of these pieces. And this Santa hat and the elf hats both fit perfectly on all the little critters from all of the sets mentioned. You can see here I'm trying both out, and they just fit great. They're a great size. And then we have this little wrapped up acorn, which fits perfectly in their little hands on any of them. The little scarf works really good too. So you can see here I'm just kind of adding little images from this add-on set to our characters, and it all fits great. And it is just so much fun that you can use what you have and add this to it to create such wintry fun scenes and get more use out of your stamps. So here's a card that I made, a slimline card, just creating an outdoor winter scene using a bunch of the images from the add-on set. So you can see where I added in the snow packs and the wreath, and I added in some presents and little snowballs, and also used stamps from both the Mouse House and Bunny Burrow set. So this card that I created, I wanted to do one where I'm only using the Winter Burrow set to show you that you can still create fun cards with just that set alone. And then I added some of the winter white gems to finish this card. For this card, I used the Winter Burrow add-on set along with the Mouse House set to create a fun, cheesy, Christmassy look. I also used the snowfall stencil for the background. Next, I have some card examples for you from our design team using this set. Thank you for watching this video, and be sure to check out Trinity Stamps' YouTube page for lots more inspiration. Also be sure to check out our Facebook page called Imagination, Inspiration, and Conversation. Have a great day.